Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Afro Gardener. Today we're gonna talk about multiplying strawberry plants. Let's get into it. First of all, it's hot. It's hot. It's 95 degrees, y'all. It's hot, but let's get into this video. Let's get into it. So, last year I bought 10 bare root strawberry plants. Now I went through the process of how to, soak them and plant them and get them ready to put in the ground, but I only had one survive. I had one survive out of 10. So I planted it here. Now last year, this strawberry plant, it produced well. It's producing really well this year as well. It's doing great. And what it actually has done, it set off these runners. It sets off these runners. Now, how you can multiply your plants is whenever this happens, if you have like one of those large, like it looks like a staple, but it's bigger. I don't know what it's called, but it's this shape. It's just like it's this shape, and you can place it into the ground. And when you push it into the ground, it'll make this root. I hope that makes sense, but I don't have any of those. So what I do is I just bury it. I bury the runner, and it will root and it will sprout a new plant. Now I'm gonna let these root all along right here at the bottom of this bed, and then I'm going to cut the runners, take the plants, and I'm going to make a strawberry tower. I had this idea because I saw like some different folks online with these strawberry towers, and I really wanted to try it for myself. It's ants all right here. Ugh. But it's so easy to multiply these plants. Like I have one here, the runner came up and it rooted here, then it came and it rooted here as well.
Mommy.
Yes.
So the stuff that were in here, chick food. Chick food in
Yeah.
here.
It was, yeah.
I gave it to our chickens.
That's fine.
All of it.
It's fine.
I gotta poop.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, so whenever you see these runners, don't cut them. Do not cut them, because basically what you're doing is keeping your plant, you're keeping them from reproducing your plants. So I had one, and now I'm going to have 4. And if I just keep letting the runner do what it's supposed to do, I'll continue to have plants. Now I haven't seen any more runners on this particular plant, but I've been looking to kind of see, and so yeah. But and you don't even have to root them here. Let me make sure y'all can see that. You don't have to root them here. You can put a smaller pot, or you can let this get a little bit longer, and you can root it in a container. If you're trying to save on money, this is a really great way to multiply your plants over time. Now, the thing is, if you're somebody who just don't want to wait, you want all the stuff that you want right now, go ahead and buy you some more plants. Now, for me, I don't mind waiting. I don't mind letting my plants do what they're naturally supposed to do to multiply plants. For me, I try to do the option that is most cost effective. Like I said, I knew that there was a way that they multiply, but I just didn't know at the time what it was. And so now that I know, I'm just gonna let them go. They're producing, I'm picking the strawberries that come, and they're just gonna do what they do. Now, I'm sure that by the end of the season, I'll have a bunch of plants, and I think I might make a video and show you guys how many more strawberry plants that I have altogether, because this only happened over the course of a few weeks, from when it really got warm till now. And so by the end of the season, I know that I'll have a bunch of strawberry plants, so I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding this, please leave me a comment. If you just have a comment, leave me a comment. I love chatting with you guys in the comment section. I love talking to y'all. But that is all for today's video. I hope you guys learned something. I love you guys, and as always, I'll talk to you later. Bye.